As you can see, the mixer is back out again, and with good reason. So our daughter Tate is a senior this year. She's down in Union County with us where we live, but she has a great friend of hers we're making a little care package for her. It's happening a lot in a lot of the schools in the area where people are making care packages for the seniors, because we want to celebrate the incredible things that they've done over the last 13 years to get to where they are now, even if the world's having a bit of a shake-up at the moment. But anyway, so one of the things that she's going to be working on is making some chocolate chip cookies, because Maddie loves chocolate chip cookies. So here we go. Let's get Tate involved and we'll start making some.